better.
Yeah. Why do you think it's gone away so quickly, so drastically?
Taking this foam out,
Okay.
we changed filters. The filter wasn't that dirty, so that didn't really come into play, but just making sure everything was tight, tightening a couple screws, and sometimes you just get weird vibrations. Going in and wiping things down and wiggling things, and tightening the screws gets rid of them. Like you could have we'll get noise complaints because a little piece of foil tape is making a buzzing noise, and you come in and put a new piece of tape on it, and it's quiet as a mouse again. So a bunch of different things that could cause noises.